How to make a collage on Instagram stories. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose. And want to post multiple photos on your Instagram stories on one slide? We are here to help. So without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Navigate to your story at top left to add multiple pictures on one Instagram story. For a solid background, you can tap create on the left. And here you can easily select the colors icon at bottom right to change the colors of your background. Once you are done with the color on your background, you can navigate to the sticker icon at top of your screen. Scroll down and choose photo option. Now you can even select the three dots at top right corner, select draw, and then you can easily pick a color using the draw tool. Then hold down the screen to fill the background as well. Also, now you can easily tap the sticker to change the shape, like into the circle, heart, star, or many more. After that, you can add text, filters, or doodles to customize. Place it anywhere you'd like to. Tap on sticker icon again and select photo. Customize the shape of it as well, and you can place it anywhere. So once you're happy, you can tap on your story at bottom left and post it to your story. So in this way you can make a collage on Instagram stories. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.